Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to see one other viewers on Facebook Story. So, let's dive right in. Facebook prioritizes user privacy, and there are limitations to who you can see viewing your stories depending on your privacy settings. Here's the breakdown. If your story is public, anyone on or off Facebook can see it. However, you'll only see a number for viewers who aren't your friends, like 5 others or 1 other viewer. You can't click on it to see their names. Let's walk through how to change your story privacy. Go to your Facebook story or your profile picture with the story ring around it. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Edit Story Privacy. Choose Friends, Close Friends, or Custom to select specific friends. While you can't see the exact profile of a single other viewer on a public story, remember you can control who sees your stories by adjusting your privacy settings. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.